So we're gonna get this third gen pulled out. I know you guys love this car because this car gets crazy views every time I do a video on it. So, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of Fast Lane Pros. So today, we're gonna get this thing pulled out and try to get some work done on it. We're gonna start getting it cleaned up, get ready to drop the gas tank. We've got a brake drum that's froze up. We're gonna pull it back here and try to get this brake drum unfroze. That way we can get it up to the front so we can start working on it. Let's go.
What's up, guys? It's been a minute. So, did you already tell them what we're doing, basically?
Yeah.
All right.
We're gonna pull it out and get it cleaned up.
Well, let's move all this junk and then get that moving. Man, it's been a minute.
It's been a while.
Hope everybody's having an awesome weekend. And because we're gonna get started on this thing, this project, I guess you could say.
One of many.
One of many. But we'll catch you guys once we get everything moved and we're ready to drag this sucker out of here.
Got it washed up. We got it pushed up here on ramps, and this thing really cleaned up a lot. Still got a long way to go, but it had probably 10 years of gunk on it. I mean, it was just caked, gunk everywhere. But for the most part, we got it cleaned up, and now we're starting to tear this thing apart and vacuum out the inside. We're ripping off the tin off the back. So
Let's go. Pretty much clean. We're just waiting to shampoo it, but we'll do that in a bit. We're gonna go ahead and see if we even have window power or any kind of power in the doors, because Lord knows what this kid or guy, whoever owned it, cut in this thing. So, alright, so we're gonna need some bolts.
I don't remember what we used the last time.
We used my bolts. Okay guys, so it's a long time later. I mean, we've done so much to this car, but unfortunately we forgot to film an outro to that video But yeah, guys, I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of sneak peek on next video. Ooh. And you notice we got the cover, and look where it's sitting now. So that's gotta mean something. Yeah, check it out, guys. It looks super good on these wheels, but I don't know if we're gonna keep them on there because sneak peek for something else. I mean, I'll give y'all a little sneak peek, that's all. If y'all couldn't catch on to that, then I'm sorry. But no, we've done a lot to this car, guys, and so I mean, it's coming along. Everything's still clean in the inside as the video. I would take this off, but we have it strapped off, so let me get that undone. But man, it's been a minute, guys. A lot of things have changed. The Suburban's still sitting. Okay, so a lot of things have changed. I mean, the car's sitting here, got the Titan here, and then we got the Suburban sitting there. And my car's still in the works. Hopefully we're gonna button it up this weekend. They're actually dropping it in right now. The motor should be like done by the end of the day, and we may crank it up, I don't know, but it won't be in this video. But peek, like I said, anyways, so you got the sneak peek. You'll probably want to see most of it that I recorded, but because y'all are gonna have to wait till next video. But little Jimmy is over here, aka, you know, the little truck. Done quite some stuff to it, actually. I'll just give you a little bit of update. As you can tell, the bed's off. That'll be in a different video. I don't know if you filmed them taking it off. I was not here. But we also got a new door for it. We do have to get this fender a little bit scooted over. But yeah, I mean, we got the whole dash. Everything's pulled off. So that's another project that's going on at the moment. We still have like every other project, guys. We're getting it all done. So just a little bit of time. The exhaust from my car, and this right here is where we put out third gen, and this is what it looks like now. So one project out, another project in. Little Jimmy's bed. I think they're gonna get some work done on it. I'm not sure, or on the frame of the truck. It doesn't really need frame work, but yeah. So that's coming along, guys. It's really just taking a lot of time, but we have some video. We gotta pump it out to y'all guys. I'm not gonna lie, we've been really falling behind, especially for what's sitting right there, but I can't show y'all, unfortunately. Y'all gotten sneak peeks, that's all y'all are getting. And then for the Suburban, we also did get another pickup because we thought the Suburban locked up. We thought it was done. So we went out and brought this motor that we got for cheap. We got this motor, the 350, basically like a little crate motor. Came out of, well, the Corvettes, and this year had these, or I can't remember the story on it, but we got it for like $100 or something. I don't even know. It's cheap. And so we thought it blew up. So, and I'm sitting here editing video, and I had to come get this video done. But the Suburban, still swerving on the Suburban, looking a lot cleaner than what it did. I don't know if y'all seen this, but they did some painting in the interior, and man, they cleaned this sucker up. Matt's been taking some good care of it. Does need a little bit of work for TLC, but we're getting it started. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I hope y'all liked the little update. I needed to get that little update in because I know we've been falling behind. But there's your update, and catch you guys in the next banger. Peace.